Okay, we got everything here we need for the head. We got the mouth here. We've got a 1-inch hinge that will get connected onto this block here and here. That is so the mouth will open and close. We've got these two little eye hooks. One goes in here at the top of the mouth. That's for our spring. The other will get screwed in back here. That's where we'll tie our string to. We have a 3-inch spring we're going to use. Got 24-inch of nylon line. Have a 1-inch ring. This goes into the back of the head. This is a 1/2-inch dowel for the string to go around and over. And we have our 2 eyes. And we have our ears that we made earlier. The first thing we'll work on is to get the mouth. Your most important part is to get the mouth to work properly. So we're going to work on that next, and then we'll go on to the next step. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. Thanks.